This is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a really quick functionality proof video for our customer with initials DLL as marked there, who ordered this board for Vizio XVT553SV. And when he received it, the board came up, but the screen was all dark. I have made a number of videos on this particular problem. Just search in our YouTube channel for XVT553SV. No image, and there will be more than one that explains. It boils down to this fuse here, and as you can see, that is replaced. This is the standard fuse that is on the board. This is for the 5 volts, this is for the 12 volts that go through a switch somewhere here and then out to the switch may not have been here, but I think it was somewhere here, and then out on the, I'm sorry about the focus, out to the T-con to power the panel. And the fuse, as you can see, is replaced, and this is the image. I just want to say and show that this works, and we're sending it back. That is all. Thank you very much.